Hi dear children, welcome back. We have started the 7th lesson, Chemical Reactions of Organic Compounds. And we learnt about different chemical reactions in the previous class, haven't we? In the beginning, I told you that different organic compounds are prepared by different chemical reactions. And today, we are going to discuss about some of the important organic compounds. Shall we start the class? Observe the two organic compounds. What are the IUPAC names of these two compounds? Yes, the first compound is methanol and the second one is ethanol. You already learned that alcohols are organic compounds containing the functional group OH, don't you? First, we will learn about the alcohol methanol. Methanol is known as wood spirit. Its chemical formula is CH3OH. Methanol is industrially prepared by treating carbon monoxide with hydrogen in the presence of a catalyst at a high temperature and pressure. Equation for this reaction can be written as CO plus 2H2 gives CH3OH. Methanol is a poisonous substance, but it has many industrial uses. See, it is used as a solvent in the manufacture of paints. It is also used as a reactant in the manufacture of varnish and formalin. Have you heard about formalin? Formalin is a saturated water solution of formaldehyde. It is commonly used as an industrial disinfectant and a preservative in funeral homes and medical labs. Well, did you get an idea about methanol? So, methanol is known as wood spirit. It is a poisonous substance. And how is it prepared? Yes, by treating carbon monoxide with hydrogen in the presence of a catalyst at high temperature and pressure. What are the uses of methanol? We saw that methanol is used as a solvent in the manufacture of paints and as a reactant in the manufacture of varnish and formalin. Understood? Next, we are going to learn about ethanol. Ethanol is an alcohol which is extensively used for industrial purposes. Ethanol is commonly known as grape spirit. We already learnt about wood spirit, right? But ethanol is known as grape spirit. Now observe this word web. From this, you will get a clear idea about the different uses of ethanol. See, ethanol is used as an organic solvent. It is used for the manufacture of various organic compounds and paints. It can be used as a fuel by itself or in combination with other compounds. Moreover, it is used as a beverage and also used as a solvent for medicine. Let's learn how ethanol is industrially prepared. Ethanol is manufactured by fermenting dilute molasses by adding yeast. What is molasses? Molasses is the concentrated solution of sugar known as mother liquor left behind after the separation of sugar crystal during the manufacture of sugar. Let me tell you clearly, molasses is the concentrated sugar solution left after the separation of sugar crystal during the manufacture of sugar. Ethanol is manufactured by fermenting the dilute molasses by adding yeast. Within a few days, it changes to ethanol in the presence of two enzymes produced by yeast. See the equations. At first, the molasses is diluted and fermented by adding yeast. In the presence of the enzyme invertase, molasses is get converted to glucose and fructose. The chemical formula of both compounds are same. The resultant glucose in the presence of enzyme cymase produces the compound ethanol along with the carbon dioxide. So how ethanol is industrially prepared? By fermenting dilute molasses by adding yeast. The ethanol thus obtained with 8 to 10% strong is known as wash. That is, the ethanol that formed as a result of the fermentation of dilute molasses is called wash. When wash is subjected to fractional distillation, 95.6% strong ethanol solution is produced. This 95.6% strong ethanol is known as rectified spirit. So children, remember the percentage composition of rectified spirit is 95.6%. In order to prevent the misuse of alcohol as beverage, certain poisonous substances are added to it so that it can be used only for industrial purposes. This product is known as denatured spirit. So what are denatured spirit? The alcohol in which poisonous substances are added in order to use for industrial purpose to prevent its misuse as beverage. Such type of alcohols are called denatured spirit. The poisonous substances can be either methanol or pyridine. If methanol is used as a poison for denaturing, then the alcohol is known as methylated spirit. Remember, the word methylated refers to the addition of methanol as poison in ethanol. Got it? Ethanol of purity above 99% is known as absolute alcohol. So what is the percentage composition of absolute alcohol? Yes, 99%. A mixture of absolute alcohol and petrol is known as power alcohol. This power alcohol is used as fuels in automobiles. Got it? So children, did you get familiar with the following alcohols obtained from ethanol? Let us see once again. Wash. 8 to 10% strong ethanol is known as wash. Rectified spirit. The wash subjected to fractional distillation to get 95.6 strong ethanol solution is known as rectified spirit. Denatured spirit. Poisonous substances are added to ethanol meant for industrial purpose to prevent its misuse as beverage. Methylated spirit. Methanol is used as a poison for denaturing. The ethanol is called methylated spirit. Absolute alcohol. Ethanol of purity above 99% is known as absolute alcohol. Power alcohol. A mixture of absolute alcohol and petrol known as power alcohol. Well, in this video we discussed about the organic compound alcohol. In the next video, we will learn about other organic compounds.